everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Chillpool, and today we want to learn how to make a half double crochet. To get started, I made 10 chains. For single crochet, we skipped the first chain. For a half double crochet, we should skip 2 chains and insert our hook into the third one. So yarn over, insert the hook in the third chain from the hook, in the back loops, of course. I crochet in the back loops. So we have now 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Continue making half double crochets all across the row. I made already 3 half double crochets, but if you look carefully, those skipped 2 chains at the beginning of the row counts as 1 half double crochet. So I have 4 half double crochets in total. So I made all my half double crochets all across the row, and now let's count how many half double crochets 10 chains give us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The 9th one is the 2 skipped chains at the beginning of the row. So for the next row, chain 2 and turn your work. These 2 chains count as the first half double crochets. So we skip the first stitch and make a half double crochet in the second stitch. And all across the row. So the last half double crochet will be in the second chain of those first 2 skipped chains at the beginning of the row 1. So yarn over and insert your hook into both loops of the second chain of those first skipped 2 chains and make a half double crochet. So I made a few rows, and as you see, when you chain 2 and turn your work, there is a hole at the beginning of the row and your work is not so straight. To solve this problem, I will teach you a way to have almost straight edges and almost no holes between stitches at the beginning of the row. This way, after making the last stitch, we don't make any chains and turn your work. Make a single crochet in the very first stitch. Now you'll see 2 loops. One is next to the loop and the other one is far from the hook. Insert your hook into the loop far from the hook and make another single crochet. So these 2 single crochets into each other count as our first half double crochet. For the rest of the row, do regular half double crochets. Work the last half double crochet in the second single crochet that you made at the beginning of the row. And as you can see, there's no gap between the stitches and almost a straight work. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials. Bye!